Use the cargo bed or powered frunk to securely store your cargo. The cargo bed is equipped with a powered tonneau cover that self-locks, creating a vault that protects your cargo. The tonneau cover can withstand up to 300 pounds. To use the tonneau cover, ensure that your Cybertruck is unlocked. Tonneau cover switches are located near the driver's side taillight and can also be controlled from the main screen or from your phone app. To open the cover automatically, fully press and release here. To partially open the cover, press lightly and release the button where desired. To close the cover, follow the same process using the other button. To close the tailgate, lift the tailgate from the bottom with both hands and press it against the cargo bed to ensure it latches into position. You can also use the Tesla app and the touchscreen to open the tonneau cover and tailgate. In the unlikely event that Cybertruck has no power, the tonneau cover cannot open or close. However, there is a mechanical release for the tailgate on the inside near the electrical outlets. First, remove the cover, and then pull both red cables simultaneously. With walk-away door lock enabled, the tonneau cover will automatically lock when you walk away. The cargo bed also features a sealed storage compartment for extra cargo. Open by grasping the handle and pulling upward. The plug at the base allows for easy drainage. Close the compartment by pushing the cover down firmly until the latch engages. Cybertruck features multiple options that make it easier to secure your cargo. These include 2 L-track rails, 4 tie-down anchors, and 8 attachment anchor points. Inside the cargo bed, you can find 2 120-volt power outlets and 1 240-volt outlet to power small devices and even charge other electric vehicles from the battery. To open the powered frunk, ensure Cybertruck is in park. Press the center button under the hood enclosure. To close, press the center button again or press the illuminated interior release button inside the powered frunk.